So, Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Yeah, it's New Year's Day.
Then it's raining again. Early, right?
Yeah.
It's stuck.
It's always raining. We had a nice day yesterday, though. That was a bit of luck.
Let's go. Let's go in the shop.
So, it was a really good night last night. Oi, what you doing?
What you ay sandir?
Oi,
Sandir!
oi. Huh? Huh?
Still continue video.
Yeah, so the video key's still going. Oh God, I can't talk. I got rather drunk last night.
I think my mom add 500 for the video key. 1,500 all in all.
Yeah. So this is what New Year's Day looks like in Naga, or at least where we live anyway. Her mother is absolutely crazy about videoke. She loves it. The young lady singing her name's Joy, and she's been looking for a foreigner for quite a while. It's very noisy. So there's not a lot of people around today, which is understandable. We're still drinking. So everybody in the West now will be with their families, having New Year's Day dinner. Well, not everybody, there'll be some that doesn't, I suppose. But you can see it's dead today, there's not many people about. I don't think, do families get together for like New Year's Day dinner or anything? Do they?
But not all.
Because I've not noticed it before in the past. What are you eating?
It's bubble gum.
Bubble gum? Don't give him bubble gum.
Not me, I don't know. Give it to my mom. Give me some. Give me some. There's no sweet na. Give it to me, ha? Mom, say to them. Hello. Happy New Year, everyone.
So we just wanted to say Happy New Year.
Isa po. Masain ka. Mandiyan ka, Bray. Marara.
Ano ko, Miss Aya? Ay, si Sarah mo aki. Yung bagay. Ay, yun. Ito, baby, stupid.
And to show you what to show you what New Year's Day looks like, where we are.
They're still drinking.
Yeah, they're going to be drinking again today, aren't they? Yeah. Because Joy's drinking gin, is she, with that
gin
guy?
with Mountain Dew. You don't like that, right?
No, it's...
Joy, tama naman ito, Joy!
it's not good.
Sa aga mo, ano mo lang kami, balik na naman. Joy naman yan! Biyahe.
Kung ano na yan, kaya Lydia samantala.
Anong oras na ito? Kano niya? Islam.
Are you pregnant again?
Huh?
She asked me if I'm pregnant again. I said not
I
yet.
hope not, no.
I said not yet. Not yet.
No, it will be an immaculate conception, won't it? So, not very exciting, guys, but we wanted to just do a finish to last night's video because it was pretty dark and you couldn't see anything. So it's over to you, Mel.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
Okay, bye-bye.